Alright, so I have the new part right here. I just flipped open the lid. I haven't opened it up yet. So what we're going to do is take, and if anybody is wondering about what the part number actually is, they changed it. It's a 06L109257H, which is not the number that was onto the original valve. It was 06K109257B. So the 06L is the new part number. Alright, they probably did an update to it. I'm just going to open this up. Whoa. Let me try to open this up. Alright, alright, and even the printing and everything onto it's different. So maybe the one that was onto the car wasn't even the one for the vehicle. That's very possible also, because this comes straight from the dealer and it did not look like this. I'm honest with you guys, it did not look like this whatsoever. So hopefully I have the tool to actually reinstall this. I'm going to check and make sure. Shouldn't be an issue, but the other one looked like it didn't look like this. Okay, this one looks completely different. So I'm hoping that this is the right one. Feels a lot smoother. The centerpiece that I was talking about is right here, and I can actually push it in. You can actually see the valve move on the inside. Alright, so yeah, let's go. I'll see if I have the tool to install this, and if not, well, I'm going to order it up. Alright, so I have the new part installed. I have not started the car yet. It is completely cold. I am soaking wet. It is raining and snowing outside right now. So let's go ahead, start this up and see what happens. So that started up nicer. Oh. Okay. I still have no throttle. Okay, I'm gonna have to run home and get my scan tool because I forgot it at home. Smart me, right? Alright, I'm back. When I got the tool, booted it up. Let's get in here. Auto scan. Turn off the fan. Volkswagen. I'm okay right now. I should really go open up the hood, but I just want to erase some codes and we'll go from there. Full system, engine. Let's go check the codes first because it was stalling, so it was actually a little bit worse than what it was. Retrouble codes. ECM processor is still there. Bank 1 camshaft adjustment valve. Exhaust circuit open, I'm not worried about that. Turbocharger boost sensor, and we do not have the timing code anymore, so that's always good. So we're just going to clear these trouble codes. Okay. Let's cycle the key off. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't like those PCM processor codes though, but we'll start it back up. And there's still no throttle though. But the timing codes are gone. Okay, it's for sure that this car was not running right with those timing codes. Let's read again. See what codes do come back. Cold start idle air control system performance. It's a little bit of everything, isn't there? Like, you try to give this guy gas and he does not want to go at all. So now we got a new code. So I know what they're saying, but what they're telling me and what this car is doing is completely like off. Alright, so here we have the camshaft exhaust bank 1 specified value, which is at 7. Our camshaft actual value exhaust, which is at 7.1. Camshaft intake bank 1 specified value 6, and camshaft adjustment bank 1 actual value 6.5. So it's for sure that that area is fixed. Now the code, there's still a code that keeps coming up for the turbo boost sensor, or pressure sensor if I'm not mistaken. control, sorry, turbocharger, supercharger, boost control, A circuit open. All right, so this is what's actually going to probably control the flap. I have to look at the code, at the description of the code right here. Okay, but it should be the part that actually takes and controls the flap for your boost. So from what I could tell, the circuit code means that it's just not able to control the flap, which is supposed to go like this. All right, but let's get in there. I'm gonna get to what this code is, and we're gonna try to see if we can't diagnose it. So let me look up some code data, and we'll go from there.